Hi everyone, Eugene here, and in this quick video tutorial we're going to go through all of the different things you can customize on the beautiful LUMIX L10 compact camera. So we're going to, in this particular video, we're going to go through all of the different options that you have, and then in the following ones we'll go into every single one of them and give you a little bit more detail as to what it does and how you can then customize it, okay? So now we're gonna jump to camera B here so I can show you all the buttons that and dials and everything you can customize in terms of the menu as well. And then we'll jump into the menu to have a bit of a closer look afterwards. Okay, so jumping to the top of the camera here, I'm just gonna turn this around so it's a little bit easier for you to see. We can actually customize the exposure compensation here. We can also customize this button next to the rear dial. The actual rear dial itself, we get the video button, which is also customizable. We get the function switch. We get the zoom and focus. Again, we can also control focus with that. And then if we turn the camera around, we get pretty much everything with the exception of the playback button and display button and the mode, the photo, video, and slow and quick video mode. So basically the LVF, LUT, AF on, Q, back, and then all of the options here, they're all customizable. Besides that, I'm just going to turn on the camera now and just go into the menu. And I want to show you, if you go into this little spanner, settings, then go to the operation, which is this wheel here icon, you get to basically customize all of these options. So we have the quick menu settings. So when you press the quick menu, we'll jump into that. Like I said, this is going to be the next video. We're going to go through every single one of these options. So the quick menu settings, we have the touch settings on the display, operation lock. So if you want to have a button customized so that you prevent some other functions from being accessed. For example, I don't know, maybe you're at a wedding, you want to give the camera to someone, and then you don't want them to accidentally push any buttons or change something or delete photos. We then have zoom settings. We have the function button set, which is actually the customization for every single one of the buttons that I was telling you about. We then have the ISO displayed setting, exposure and compensation display setting as well. And then the very last one is the dial set, which allows us to control what this rear dial does and the back dial over here. So that's basically it for now. That's pretty much all of the things that you can customize in a nutshell. And then in the next videos, we'll go through every single one of the options, what they do, and how you can set them up accordingly. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.